Welcome back, guys. Today I'm making a banana cream pie. Start by making the pastry. In a large bowl, add in the softened butter and sugar and mix it together until it becomes smooth and creamy. Then add in the egg and vanilla and mix well. Mix in the baking powder then gradually add in the flour, mixing well after each addition. Continue to do this until it comes together into a soft but not sticky dough. Divide the dough in half, then roll one half into a ball and place it onto a piece of baking paper. Use a rolling pin and roll out the dough into a 2 to 3 millimeter round. The remaining half of dough can be used for another banana cream pie or a milk tart. Grease your baking pan or pie dish and flip the dough over onto it. Remove the baking paper. Then gently press in the dough along the bottom and up the sides of the pan. Use a rolling pin or a sharp knife to remove the excess dough. Use a fork to poke several holes into the bottom of the pastry. Then squash the piece of baking paper and use it to gently line the inside of the pastry. Add in your pie weights or beans. I like to use rice. It's a cheap alternative and I reuse this until the rice is burnt completely. Bake at 180 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. Then remove it from the oven and allow it to cool. Slice your bananas and set them aside. Then in a small bowl or jug, add in your instant pudding and gradually add in the milk while beating. Mix well until smooth, then set it aside till needed. Add the cream into a bowl and beat till it forms soft peaks. Add in a little bit of the pudding mixture and gently fold or mix it in. Then add in all of the remainder and mix it in well. Add in the bananas and gently fold it through. Make sure to evenly distribute the banana. Remove the pie shell from the pan and place it onto your serving platter. Then spoon the mixture in. Gently spread it out using the back of your spoon. Then refrigerate for 3 hours to overnight. And it's ready to serve. Enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.